Hi guys, in today's technique, I'm going to show you what to do if someone grabs your collar during a fight. This is a very common situation and most people panic, but today you will learn a very simple and effective way to defend yourself. First thing, don't panic, stay calm and focused. Everyone should learn this technique because it can protect you in real life situation. So let's start the technique. If someone grabs your collar like this during a fight and pulls you towards him, this is the moment where you apply this technique. But remember, if the attacker is a bit far from you, then the situation changes and you will need to apply a different technique. So in this situation, the first thing you need to do is deliver a strong elbow strike, just like you can see in the video. Hit with power so it causes immediate pain like this. Then quickly move your arm under his arm, rotate it around and use the motion to take him down to the ground. And keep your leg back like this. As soon as he falls to the ground, immediately pull him toward you and twist his arm and secure control as you can see in the video. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can stand better. When he grab you like this. Number 1, hit. 2, this. 3, back leg and push forward like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique fast motion real situation how it works or not. Yeah. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more practical self-defense techniques. Stay safe, stay strong. See you in the next video. Thank you.